नहीं है इसीलिए। दीपिका एक बार प्लीज।
Next time. Another time.
Alright, what would be that one story, you know, यहाँ पे why always the same story? What would be that one story from Ranbir and Deepika, your personal lives, जो एक बार आप फिर से दोबारा दोहराना चाहोगे?
I think the success of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani with this film, I think वो definitely दोहराना चाहेंगे।
Alright, Deepika?
I have to agree with him.
Sajid bhai also agrees. That's it.
Hi Deepika.
I would say the experience of Tamasha.
Hi, I'm from the Bus Diary. My question is to both Ranbir and Deepika. Like in the trailer we see you guys, like, I think Ranbir has a fake life. He has gone out of a mold and doing things. Do you ever feel like that in real life as a celebrity, that you guys need to go to some place in the world and just forget about it and live like that in the movie?
Sorry, can you?
Like living like how it's in the movie, fake. You want to like leave everything behind and go somewhere?
Absolutely not. Nobody wants to leave anything behind. But I think in the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide, okay, you know, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes routine. You know, I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. You know, sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure.
Is that true?
That is true, because whenever he used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika, we always used to say, "Sir, ये आपने किया है ना life में?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new. You know, like there is no sense of okay, yeah, we have heard of this, yeah, ये कहीं देखा है. That's why his dialogues, his language, his moments are very new when you see them, especially the love story side of Imtiaz Ali. So, sir, have you done this in your life? Gone and lived in abandon, called people Chand Fakir, Suar ki Aulad?
Sir, are you a press member?
No, sir, but this is a pressing matter and I really want to know, sir.
Thank you.
Hi Ranbir and Deepika.
Do you believe like Bollywood में या celebrity की life थोड़ी fake होती है in fact, people say, what do you believe? And what do you तमाशा
It's a good question.
Okay, he said, okay. Is it fake? I don't think it's fake. I just think that, no, I would say that sometimes it probably comes with certain responsibilities, you know, and maybe then that's why one has to, you know, maybe that's why you have to carry yourself a certain way and be careful about what you say or not, depending on how each person decides to lead their own life. But for the people who do and realize that, you know, sometimes that it comes with a little bit of responsibility. You have the youth who looks up to you. You know, if you're role models for people, then I guess at some level, I think the most ideal case would be if you can live your life the way you want to and find the balance of being responsible and realizing that you have responsibilities towards your fans and the audience. So if you can find that balance, then nothing like it.
छोड़ो बोरिंग बातें साली, मस्त रहो जम के खाओ, ले लो पंगे चढ़ लो सूली, खोल दो बंधन घोल दो लस्सी, बोल दो किस्सा सभी जनों का दिल बहलाओ, शोर मचाओ मारो ठुमका, फेंक बिखेरू मन की चांदी, दिल का सोना आंख की मोती सब अर्पित है आपकी खातिर। हम आपके नौकर हैं मालिक, टाई पहनकर लिफ्ट में चढ़कर फिर आएंगे आपके आंगन, वही करेंगे जो रोज किया है, वो फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे। अच्छा बेटा, कभी इधर तो कभी उधर, अंदर क्या है, अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है, बोलो बोलो, जवाब दो जवाब दो।
Hi Ranbir and Deepika. Hello. The two of you share a sizzling chemistry in this trailer. And Ranveer Singh had
क्या है
famously,
कि हम शॉट के पहले वो योको का सिजलर प्लेटर बुलाते थे. We should sit on it and then give our shot.
Ranveer Singh had famously said that Deepika feels that her chemistry with you is the best. So I want to ask you, do you feel the same way? And Deepika, you also have Bajirao Mastani coming up. So if I forced you to choose, which chemistry do you think is better?
Do we always have to like pick one over the other? No, I don't think so. First of all, it was in context to something completely else and something completely different. No, I think it depends on the kind of film. I think it depends on the way the characters are written. I think it depends on what a director can extract from the two actors that he's cast. Can I compare Ranveer and me in Tamasha or Ye Jawani to Ranveer and me in Ramleela or Bajirao? No, I can't, because we're playing completely different characters. There is a certain kind of baggage or backstory or whatever's that required of each character, and you execute that. So I think it really depends on the film and on the characters and what the director can extract from the actors.
And Ranveer, your thoughts on chemistry with Deepika?
It's very good. I'm extremely happy about it. But like Deepika said, now it all depends on Tamasha. If people don't like Tamasha, God forbid, then people will probably think that our chemistry is not so good. It's also so dependent on success, on the way we've performed, on the way the film has been perceived. So it's all film by film. But I'm really happy that people have liked our pairing together, and I hope that they continue doing so.
Ranveer, congratulations for your trailer. My question is to you, Ranveer.
Here doesn't help, boss.
Hi.
Hi. The trailer is fantastic. My question to you is, you have reunited with your favorite director and favorite actors. So somewhere around, do you feel pressurized on the context of your past movies? Do you feel pressurized a little bit?
Actually, lesser, because I have such talents now. It's not that I didn't have talents before, but this is like home for me. Working with Imtiaz is so comfortable because I know he's looking out for me. He is directing every breath of mine because he cares for me, and he makes, he brings it out to me. Okay, sir, this is not good. Sir, this is not good, and he'll continue to make me do better in life. Same with Deepika. I think both of them really care for me, and they really care that I do well in life. So I feel less pressure when I'm working with them. Probably when I go outside and work with people I haven't worked with, I'll feel more pressure then.
Okay, Imtiaz sir, मेरा सवाल आपसे, during Rockstar you said that Jordan character is inspired by one of your friends. So ये जो character Ranbir Kapoor का, is it inspired by some of any of your friend or is it inspired by you? आप बता दीजिए, clear कर दीजिए.
There are many aspects in many people that have been taken into this character. It's not one person, but yes, these things I've seen in my life around me. People in this predicament or this situation. Yeah.
दीपिका मेरा सवाल आपसे है, रितेश इधर. रणबीर ने जितने भी मूवीज आज तक की हैं, उनमें सबसे ज्यादा प्यार आपको किस कैरेक्टर से हुआ? क्योंकि फिल्म का प्लॉट भी लगभग उसी तरह. किस कैरेक्टर से?
किसने? किस एक्टर ने?
आपने.
मैंने.
जी. रणबीर की
asking me the question? And then
रणबीर की फेवरेट मूवी आपकी कौन सी आपको लगती है?
Oh, which of it?
जी.
Such a long list, यार. If I had to choose one, I think Barfi. No?
Hi Ranbir. I am Pankaj from glamsham.com. Some months ago, Arjun Kapoor had said that they really, your contemporaries and the newer actors, they really look forward to what you are coming up with next, and they are very keen to, they respect you as an actor and they think that you might be the next superstar. So
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं नेक्स्ट 7 साल से सुन रहा हूँ, तो मैं हूँ नहीं. तो जब होऊंगा तो बताना. But like I said कि अभी फिलहाल पता नहीं. You should ask me in the next press conference if they still look up to me. But I hope कि with Tamasha it reinstates that fact that I'm doing good work. But the honest truth is we all are doing good work because the quality of cinema has really improved. New ideas, new minds, actors are becoming fearless. The kind of movies now. I mean, Deepika is doing just the selection of movies. It's pushing the boundaries of cinema. It's pushing the boundaries of performance, of box office collections. So I think we all are inspiring each other. There is no like, front person or a back person. I think we all are all together taking the onus of taking this industry forward and taking the legacy forward of, all the great films that Sajid Bhai has made or produced, or what, UTV has done and Sid has been doing all these years. I think it's up to all of us right now to carry it forward. Not that I'm saying that you're old or that, your lifetime achievement award nahi hai, but I'm saying it's balanced.
Ranbir, do you think your characters are a bit similar to what you guys played in Ye Jawani Ye Diwani in this film?
Not at all. Can I justify that right now? I don't know. I don't think it'll be right for me to say, oh, this is the difference between that character and this character. You'll figure that out when you watch the film. But the film itself is completely different. The characters are completely different. Everything about the film is different.
Ranbir towards your left. Here. Ranbir, one of the major reasons why Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was a... Yeah, I'm back, Deepika. Thank you. One of the major reasons why we loved Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was your pairing with Deepika Padukone, and given the fact that she has delivered a lot of blockbuster hits after that, and also with Ranbir, can we say that she will be a lucky charm this time around?
You asked me the same question.
No, that was a different one. I have.
You framed it slightly different.
And you liked it.
First...
I did not. I gave you a very nice answer. Okay, anyway.
First of all, I think it's not fair to label anybody as a lucky charm. I think Deepika, whatever she's achieved is because of her hard work and her dedication. But yes, I hope her luck rubs out, the luck word that you're saying, rubs off on me and not mine on her. Yahi dua karta hu. But like I said, we're really happy with this film. We're really happy that, really proud, with this film. And do come and see it at the theatre near you.
One thing which is astoundingly amazing and unique between you and Deepika and in the context of Bollywood is the fact that two former lovers collaborating for a professional reason.
Something that... selfie leke bol rahe ho kya?
No, sir, this is not a selfie, this is a video. Okay.